Welcome aspiring vendors and contractors. If you're ready to embark on your journey to become a registered vendor contractor in the vibrant city of Hollywood, Florida using the powerful OpenGov procurement portal, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of becoming a vendor contractor in this dynamic city. Let's dive in. To begin, let's understand what the OpenGov procurement portal is. It's an online platform used by government agencies, including Hollywood, to connect with vendors for various procurement opportunities. Start your journey by accessing the official Hollywood City website and navigating to the OpenGov procurement portal. You will be redirected to the OpenGov procurement portal after clicking the eProcurement portal hyperlink. Click Sign Up. Provide your email address. Go to your email account to activate your OpenGov procurement account. You are now successfully signed up. Activate your OpenGov account by creating a username and a password. First, click Start and provide your account information and click Next. Create your password and activate. Start creating your supplier profile account. Fill out your supplier profile thoroughly. Include accurate contact information, services you offer, and any relevant certifications or qualifications. A comprehensive profile increases your visibility to government agencies looking for your services. Complete the basic information about your company to claim and manage your business profile. You completed registering. Check your email for approval. In order to continue receiving emails from OpenGov Procurement, add their email addresses to your contacts list or safe sender list. Add the OpenGov email addresses to your contacts by following these brief instructions. 1. Copy email addresses and go to Contacts, and 2. Select Create Multiple Contacts and paste email addresses. Click on your initials for the drop-down list and start creating your company's profile and provide all the required details to create your vendor profile. Fill out your supplier profile thoroughly. Include accurate contact information, services you offer, and any relevant certifications or qualifications. A comprehensive profile increases your visibility to government agencies looking for your services. Create your supplier profile. Upload your company's logo and provide your company's information. Add category codes. These are services your company provides. Search for category codes. What are category codes? Category codes are used to classify goods and services in government contracts. Your company's NAGP codes, NAIC codes, and/or UNSPSC codes can be added. Select services your company provides from the category list, then save. Select your company's certifications. The certifications section allows you to select any certification that your company holds. You can upload the requested documents to your company account by clicking the drop box. Your registration is completed. Go to your email account and verify your email to begin bidding on contracts. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge to register as a vendor supplier in the city of Hollywood, Florida. Follow these steps, stay committed to your goals, and you'll be well on your way to a successful vendor supply business in this bustling city. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your vendor supplier journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.